Hello guys, it's Tessie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, All Things Tessie E. If today is your first time coming to my channel, you're welcome. And to my old subscribers, thank you guys for always coming through. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I hope you're doing well. So today's video is me doing my eyeshadow, beginner friendly, okay? I moisturize my lips with this. My brow has already been done. My lashes are already done because I did the individual eyelashes. So I have a video of my brow, so how I do my brow. I have the video. I will link it. You can check that out. And my individual lashes, I have the video as well, but this one is the updated version, so I will upload that maybe after this video or before this video. I just want to clarify that my brows and my lashes are already been done. So my mirror, I'll be looking here. Okay. I have to prime my lid with the NYX eyeshadow base. It's a 2 minutes eyeshadow, okay? I'm just being extra with the taping and all that, acting as if I know what I'm doing, okay? And with my sleek palette. And this eyeshadow look is beginners friendly, okay? I'm not a professional makeup artist or whatever. I'm just trying to do whatever I have to do to get myself together. So it's beginners friendly. I'm just putting it out there, okay? All right, guys. When it comes to eyeshadow or makeup, I think the key is that just blend, blend, and blend, okay? And for beginners, use whatever you have to make the look okay. So since I don't have any dark eyeshadow in the palette, I'm using my mascara to make that happen, okay? And I just blend and blend and blend, okay? And bam, that's the magic of being a beginner. Use what you have. bear in mind I'm a beginner, okay? That's why I said it's beginner friendly, all right? Now I'm learning, okay? If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, give this video a like, and also leave a comment down below in the comment section. And please remember press the notification bell so whenever I upload you will be notified, okay? All right guys, see you on my next video. Bye.